it's time to cloud up. Let's test your Azure Virtual Machine Options skills. Question 1. Which Azure service allows automatic scaling of virtual machines? The answer is Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets. As Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets enable automatic scaling of VMs based on demand. Question 2. Which feature of Azure Virtual Machines allows them to be deployed across multiple fault domains? The answer is Availability Sets. As Availability Sets ensure VMs are spread across fault domains to increase availability. Question 3. Which Azure service is best for creating virtual desktop environments? The answer is Azure Virtual Desktop. As Azure Virtual Desktop allows creating and managing virtual desktops for remote work. Question 4. What is the main benefit of Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets? The answer is automatically scale VMs to meet demand. As Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets automatically adjust the number of VMs to meet fluctuating demand. Question 5. Which feature of Azure helps to ensure VM availability during planned maintenance? The answer is Availability Sets. As Availability Sets distribute VMs across fault domains to ensure availability during maintenance. Question 6. Which of these is a key feature of Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets? The answer is autoscaling. As Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets provide autoscaling for applications based on demand. Question 7. Which option allows for a multi-region setup to increase the availability of VMs? The answer is Azure Availability Zones. As Azure Availability Zones distribute VMs across different regions to increase availability and fault tolerance. Question 8. Which service in Azure is used to deploy a consistent virtual machine configuration across multiple instances? The answer is Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets. As Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets help deploy consistent VM configurations across multiple instances. Question 9. Which option is most suitable for running a load-balanced pool of VMs in Azure? The answer is Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets. As Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets support scaling and load balancing across a pool of VMs. Question 10. Which service in Azure provides virtual desktop environments that users can access remotely? The answer is Azure Virtual Desktop. As Azure Virtual Desktop enables access to virtual desktops for remote work and collaboration. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe skillar.com.